Hello, today I'm going to be explaining the what-if analysis and why it can be very helpful in the real world. As you can see, I've created a data set table up in the upper left-hand corner for a used car loan. The loan amount is $15,000, the term is 36. So let's say, for example, that you can only afford to pay $500 a month based off your current income. What you want to find is the maximum interest rate that you would be willing to accept for the loan so that you keep your payments $500 or lower, but you would like to keep it at the maximum if you can if possible. So first thing you got to do, we're going to use the payment function, PMT, and we're going to use goal seek. First thing you do is you make sure you're clicked on the payment box. Now you can normally use the formula bar for this, but to give a better example, I'm going to use the formula tab. So you go into the tab, click on the financial formulas, scroll down to PMT, and the function argument box pops up. As you can see, this lets you calculate the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. So as you can see a PMT in the payment box. So we're going to type in the rate, which is B4, and we're going to divide it by 12 because we're looking for the interest rate per month. Then we're going to click on number of payments per month, which is our number of payments for the loan, which is 36. Click on that. The next thing we're going to do is find the present value of the loan, which is $15,000. For this example, we don't need to worry about future value or the type. So we click OK. And as you can see, right now with no interest rate, which would be 0, the payment is $416.67. Unfortunately, we can afford to pay $500, so we would like to get that up to the maximum amount. So the next thing we can do is a thing called goal seek, which allows us to, as the name shows, find the goal. So then we click on the data tab, and we go into what if analysis, which is what I'm talking about right now. So we click on goal seek. As you can see, the goal seek thing tab pops up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to set the cell, payment B5, it is already selected for us, to the value of $500. And we want to make sure we put a negative 500 in here because, remember, these are payments off of the loan, so they're negative coming away from the total loan that we will pay off in the 36 months. So then we're going to do this by changing the cell B4, which is the interest rate. And we're going to click OK, and click OK again. And as you can see, the payment now is at its maximum, $500 per month over the life of the loan, at a maximum interest rate of 12. And you can do this and change it up for any sort of numbers you want. Say you want the payment to be $400, just follow the same steps that I showed you, and you should be able to find the maximum interest rate. Thank you for listening to me, and have a great day.